Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting video on our channel. Today I've got something truly fascinating and incredibly simple to share with you. Stick around till the end to discover just how easy it is to create a thriving channel using just one simple tool and skyrocket your earnings. Let's dive right in. Take a look at this channel. With 159 short videos and a whopping 322K subscribers, it's clear that something special is going on here. And guess what? These videos are solely created using artificial intelligence. From a modest start of 98K views, they've soared to a staggering 19 million views. Now, let's head over to Social Blade to uncover the income potential of this channel. Whoa, can you believe it? Using AI alone, this channel is pulling in anywhere from 7K to 112K per month. That's mind-blowing. But here's the kicker. The first video was uploaded just 3 months ago, and it's already garnered over 200 million views. That's the power of AI-driven content for you. Now look at this channel. This channel has only 24 short videos and has more than 86K subscribers. The style of this channel is similar to the previous one. The date of the first video on this channel is about 2 months ago, and its progress is quite visible. Let's take a look at the income of this channel. In 2 months, this channel could monetize and reach such an income. Now, let's talk about how you can get in on this action. But before we dive into that, make sure you've subscribed to my channel. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the unique opportunities I'm about to reveal for unlocking YouTube's dollar signs. All right, let's get into it. We're starting with a simple command to ChatGPT. All you need to do is brainstorm and create a story with a clear beginning and end. For example, a tale about a rooster with a monkey-like tail or a pizza vendor dreaming of becoming mayor. These are simple yet captivating examples that can hook your viewers in. Next up, we're heading over to Leonardo.ai. I've talked about this website in my previous videos, so be sure to check those out for some handy tips. Create an account if you haven't already, and on the homepage, you'll find a treasure trove of images created by other users. According to the site's guidelines, you can freely use these images without worrying about copyright issues. Search for images that resonate with your story, or even better, create a story based on the available images. You'll often find similar images on the site, along with their parameters and seed numbers, which you can use to generate more visuals. Finally, with 5 to 6 images and accompanying text, use a program like CapCut to overlay the text onto each image. Add suitable transitions between the images and set the duration to 2 seconds per image. Now, upload your video to your channel and use trending music to attract more viewers. And just like that, you have a channel ready to go with just a few texts and images. Aim to upload 3 videos daily for better engagement. The more engaging your content, the faster your channel will grow. I hope this has inspired you to create some captivating short videos and achieve the staggering income we've seen from this channel. Remember, with the power of AI, the possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this video style, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on future videos. Until next time, happy creating!